Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your go-to source for cutting-edge clean energy solutions in the industrial sector. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking innovation that could revolutionize industrial heating processes: hydrogen boilers. Hydrogen boilers represent a significant advancement in industrial heating technology. These innovative systems operate similarly to conventional fossil fuel boilers, but with a crucial difference: they use hydrogen as their primary fuel source. When hydrogen combusts, it produces only water vapor and heat, resulting in zero carbon emissions. This makes hydrogen boilers an attractive option for industries looking to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to the global fight against climate change. The functionality of hydrogen boilers closely mirrors that of traditional industrial boilers. They generate steam or hot water for various industrial processes, from manufacturing to food processing. The key distinction lies in the fuel. While conventional boilers typically burn natural gas, oil, or coal, releasing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, hydrogen boilers use clean hydrogen gas. This fundamental difference can lead to a substantial reduction in carbon emissions from industrial heating, a sector that currently accounts for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas emissions. One of the primary advantages of hydrogen boilers is their potential to dramatically reduce the environmental impact of industrial heating processes. By using hydrogen, a clean and versatile energy source, industries can maintain high-temperature operations without contributing to the greenhouse effect. This transition could be a game-changer in our collective efforts to decarbonize heavy industry and create a more sustainable future for manufacturing and processing sectors. The development of industrial hydrogen boilers is being driven by a combination of technological advancements and policy initiatives aimed at promoting clean energy in the industrial sector. Companies and research institutions are investing heavily in creating efficient and safe hydrogen boiler systems that can integrate into existing industrial infrastructure with minimal modifications. This approach is designed to make the transition to this new technology more feasible and cost-effective for industries, potentially allowing them to retrofit existing facilities rather than building entirely new ones. However, the widespread adoption of hydrogen boilers in industry faces several challenges that need to be addressed. A primary hurdle is the need for a reliable and large-scale supply of green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower, through a process called electrolysis. While the hydrogen produced in this way is clean and sustainable, scaling up production to meet the potential demand from energy-intensive industries will require significant investment and infrastructure development. In addition to green hydrogen production, modifications to existing industrial processes and equipment may be necessary to ensure the safe and efficient operation of hydrogen boilers. The current infrastructure would need to be upgraded to handle hydrogen safely, addressing issues such as hydrogen embrittlement and material compatibility. Furthermore, other industrial equipment and processes that currently rely on fossil fuels would need to be adapted or replaced to work with hydrogen. Despite these challenges, various pilot projects are being conducted to test the feasibility of hydrogen boilers in industrial settings. Some industries are exploring hydrogen blending in existing natural gas systems as a transitional step towards full hydrogen use. These projects aim to identify and address potential issues and demonstrate the viability of hydrogen boilers on a larger scale in real industrial environments. Notable pilot projects are taking place in several countries, where governments have committed to hydrogen strategies as part of their efforts to achieve net zero carbon emissions. These projects involve retrofitting industrial facilities with hydrogen boilers and other hydrogen-compatible equipment to assess their performance, efficiency, and safety in real-world industrial settings. The results of these projects will provide valuable insights into the practical challenges and benefits of transitioning to hydrogen-based industrial heating. The environmental benefits of industrial hydrogen boilers extend beyond reducing carbon emissions. Hydrogen is an abundant element that can be produced from various renewable sources, making it a sustainable and versatile energy carrier for industrial applications. Additionally, hydrogen can be stored and transported relatively easily, providing a reliable and flexible energy supply for industries that require constant, high-temperature heat. Moreover, the adoption of hydrogen boilers can stimulate economic growth and job creation in the clean energy and industrial sectors. Developing and deploying hydrogen technology will require skilled labor and expertise in areas such as engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance. This presents an opportunity to create new jobs and support economic development while transitioning to more sustainable industrial practices. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe that hydrogen boilers have the potential to play a significant role in achieving carbon neutrality in the industrial sector and creating a sustainable future for manufacturing and processing. By embracing technologies like hydrogen boilers, industries can take meaningful steps towards reducing their environmental impact and ensuring cleaner, greener operations for generations to come. As we continue to explore and develop clean energy solutions for industry, it's important to remember that every technological advancement contributes to the larger goal of combating climate change. Industrial hydrogen boilers represent a significant step forward in our ability to decarbonize energy-intensive processes, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. By staying informed about these developments and supporting clean energy initiatives, industries can play a crucial part in shaping a more sustainable future. Stay tuned to ReneEnergy.com for more updates on clean energy technologies and how they can benefit industrial operations and the environment. Together, we can make a difference in the fight against climate change and create a world where industries are powered by clean, renewable energy. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more sustainable future, where innovations like hydrogen boilers are paving the way for greener industrial heating solutions. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.